Hi you guys, we're back. Super excited about this new product with Deserve Healthy Hair Care Products and Deserve Professional Hair Care Products, because professionals, take a look at that, 9 herbs intentional. How you apply this product, you're going to apply it from root to tip. You're going to use your color brush. Can you do that for me? Get you a color brush. You can use your color bowl. And you're going to go through the hair, part it off. Go through each strand. Now sometimes you have customers who have weakened hair and you can use more. You have some that you don't have to overuse it because of the fact, because this stuff is strong. So I'm going to show you when we're dealing with someone who's strong and they need moisture. Now you can also mix your Deserve Bio Hydration Conditioner in here. So I'm going to put it in. And then we're just going to go all over the head. And I've decided that I'm going to steam it all in. And it's concentrated. So I'm going all through the hair. She's had this plenty times. So you just want to go through it. And you can feel it. It's so concentrated. It's going all through. Now I'm taking some and I'm just putting it in the palm of my hand like this. Just cuffing it. And now I can go up under there. And now I'm massaging it through. Now here's another trick. If this particular client has a lot of dryness, like this customer has color. So I'm going to take some of the Damage Reverse Elixir oil, about that much, so the herbs would not continue to dry out her hair. And I'm going to rub it through there so her color, while we're opening up the shaft. Now, you know, 1 strand is 3 strands. So while we're opening it up, we allow this product to also be hydrated and work more efficiently. And we're going to take all of this, cover her with a plastic cap. But, you know, you can also use the biotin. If you want to put a little bit of conditioner on her hair, you can do that. Rub it in your hand, go through it, cover, and the rest bakes on there. Judge your client. If it's one with thick hair, we can do this for about 15 minutes. This one can stay, and then if you have a customer that you can, you just want to get a little strengthening, they can sit at the bowl 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. Or it works very fast, so they can sit for 5 minutes. Or if you have someone has alopecia situation, cover them, give them 20 minutes up under the dryer or steamer and massage it in that problematic area. And the rest is, and just rinse it off with warm water and then put the biotin on so you can get the hydration back in the hair. What you don't want to do is crunch up the hair like that because it's so strong. You don't want it to start working and locking. So what you want to do is make sure you're going this way and comb it out. Go to our website, deservehealthyhair.com. If you need any more help or you want to seek me any other type of way, give me a call at 877-833